overtake another rider would. I give room.
That's another lesson about how to overtake and giving space.
I can actually lead onto your own space.
Absolutely.
We own that piece of road around us. Create that space.
Yeah.
If someone moves into it, you move away.
Absolutely.
So if you're coming up to a slower bike or a slower vehicle, don't go past it 1 foot away or
Right
2
next
foot
to
away.
him, yeah.
Move over.
Which, if you think about it, gentlemen and ladies watching, when you're riding in the city, how many times do you see riders right next to each other when they're passing? And really, there is no space or no room to even make a quick maneuver to get out of the way.
No. So what you need, adjust your speed.
Absolutely.
If there's cars, trucks involved, you're coming up to slower vehicles and you want to get through. And look, I'm all for getting there as quick as possible.
Absolutely.
Within the limits, of course.
Absolutely.
And having fun. You know, it's about having fun.
Exactly.
If I'm in front, I'm safe. If you're behind, you can put yourself in danger. But that's creating space. You own that space. You have a license, you have registration.
That's right.
You've
You
paid
have
for
a
them.
right.
You have a right to be there. I can lead into I see many riders riding along at the edge of the road.
Yeah.
And they are now forced. You'll get the
Go on
SUV
the
or the
curves,
Jeepney,
yeah.
they'll force their way through. Well, no. I take up my space in the road.
That's right.
If they want to come around me, that's by all means. Make them overtake.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Force them to overtake.
You're safer there in the middle.
You are
of the road,
safer
yeah.
there in the middle. They can see you when they're coming up behind you,
Yeah.
and they can see you oncoming. If you're in the gutter, riding at the edge of the road, there might be trees, overhang, parked vehicles, garbage bins. So you're starting to disguise yourself.
Yeah, absolutely.
You are more visible. You're safer with more visibility for you,
Yep.
and to be more visible to other people.
Others. So in this lesson here today, guys, you're learning how to own your space, create your space, plan ahead, and also doing your head checks.